Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video covers an absolutely wild courtroom moment, where a defendant completely loses it after being sentenced to jail time. What starts as a routine hearing quickly spirals out of control, ending with the guy getting body slammed in the middle of the courtroom. Yeah, he definitely made things a whole lot worse for himself. Let's break it all down.
Hilarious Stravante Wines. 2 will be 716 3361.
Ready for the podium.
Michael Carmen, 734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
Ready for the podium.
What, you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we'll call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure, but I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call a case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, probably not the best idea to bring your child to your sentencing. Some judges might see it as a sign of responsibility or family support, but others, not so much. In fact, a lot of them see right through it and assume the child's just being used to tug at the judge's emotions for a lighter sentence. And honestly, in this case, it clearly didn't work.
Against Tyarius Travante Bryant. 2-4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys hearing this case, victims? No?
No, they're not.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael A. Carmen, B73824 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, you're, my name again. Let's just double check it, Mr. Timberly Dennis, Durley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthews. Are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed.
Yes.
Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and then tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. He's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of you.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. But less than 200, I'm sorry. This, he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed, but Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Triarius Travante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI, full restitution, and none of them showed. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, yeah, does the court send notices to them or?
We did send notice.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So, I
Okay?
understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, says, my client, cares, the care and custody of two young children, this girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard on our young family.
Look, I get it. It's tough on the guy's family if he has to go to jail. But can we take a second to think about the family whose car he broke into? Their privacy was completely violated. That stuff sticks with people. And yeah, it's hard on any family when a father goes to jail, but that's exactly why responsible fathers don't engage in antisocial behavior. They put their kids first, irresponsible ones. They break into cars and steal other people's stuff.
You should think about these things before we go out and continue. Steal? I mean, seriously.
I understand, Judge.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23, we're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and, there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just inform the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed, and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision, though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Sure, take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but Probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child due?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was your mother and child here?
No, she wasn't, but someone else came to pick her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7 1/4, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to reopen it.
Alright, so that wraps up the first part. He ended up getting 365 days in jail, with 42 served and 325 suspended. Now, considering his criminal history, I'd say that was actually a pretty fair sentence. But of course, he doesn't see it that way in what he does next. Yeah, he's about to make things way worse for himself.
2ULB 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. I have to call you out here again. I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off.
Okay, so now I get a better idea of what he's so upset about. See, in the judicial hierarchy, district court is below circuit court. So he figured, hey, I pled out to a felony in circuit court and only got 2 years of probation. No way, I'm getting jail time for a misdemeanor in district court. Well, you know what they say, when you assume, you get your ass body slammed in court.
Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you can make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days. I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, not the moon, kill up. People stop for killing me, bro. Be over. Run over flat. Stop running shit off. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday, now. You got fuck on my shit. Oh my God. Stop. Go away. Fuck off me, bro.
All right. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, dude. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta rain, but I still ain't making it ain't die. You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I got proof. I don't see what you're doing. I got proof. I make it worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen.
Right.
Look at this. You're right. It's twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the bed. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
I really like this judge. He's strict, Fair, no frills, and definitely no BS. And honestly, as the sarcastic 9-year-old I still am, deep down, I can totally appreciate the snarky little comments he throws in. He doesn't hold back, and I'm here for it.
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Enough. Just control yourself. Stop stealing.
Alright, so normally things would have ended right here. The judge had basically waved off the contempt charge, gave him a break. But nope, he just couldn't keep his mouth shut during his walk of shame to jail. And yeah, that went about as well as you'd expect.
Yeah, it is like already. Yeah, bro. Go left side, go the other side. It's real good fathers out here, real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason. I never understood that, bro. But a woman could be anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
Well, if he keeps that attitude up, it's gonna be a very long 40 days in jail. Alright, that's it for this video, and before I go, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who've been watching and supporting the channel over the years. I really appreciate you. And, yeah, weirdly enough, I kinda love you guys. So thank you. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, go ahead and hit dislike. Either way, leave a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on so you never miss any of my content. I'm Team Skeptic, and I'm out.